Hi everyone, my name is Trisha Kumar and this is my YouTube channel called World of Data. So today we're going to talk about while loops. So there are different ways that we can use while loops. There are basically two types of loops, for loops and while loops. So in this video we're going to talk about while loops, and in the next video I'm going to talk about for loops. So let me show you how to print numbers from 1 to 5 using a while loop. So let's initialize I is equal to 1, and then let's say while I is less than 6, print I and I plus equal to 1, which basically increments I. So once I is equal to 1, it will check if it's less than 6 and print out 1. After printing 1, it increments to 2 and then goes back on top and checks if 2 is less than 6, and it prints out 2 and then it increments to 3 and so on until we print out 5. But then when we increment 5, it becomes 6, and 6 is obviously not less than 6, it's equal to 6, so it breaks out of the loop. So let me save this file and run it. Run, and it gives us 1 2 3 4 5. As you notice, 6 has now been printed. Now let's try using an if statement within the while loop. So now we print I over here. Now let's add an if statement saying that if I is equal to 3, we're going to use break. So break will basically allow us to break out of this if statement and increments I plus equal to 1. So this happens only if I is equal to 3. Then let's save and run. As you notice, only 1 2 3 has come because it has broken out of the if else statement. Now after printing 1 2 3, now let me show you how continue works. Continue. Instead of putting print I over here, I am going to put I plus equal to 1. I'm going to increment it and I'm going to put print I over here, and let's see what happens. According to what I think, all the numbers from 1 to 6 will be printed except for 3. So yeah, see, 2 4 5 6. Now let's try using an else. We've used an if, now let's try an else. So here, as usual, we'll put print I and I plus equal to 1, else print let's just type not. So it's basically going to print 1 2 3 4 5 and then it's going to print not, because once it reaches increments to 6, we break out of the while loop and go to else statement. So there you go, 1 2 3 4 5 not. So that's basically how while loops work. I hope you guys understood this video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.